Number 1, car. My mom drives me to school in her car. Car. Number 2, star. If you see a falling star, you are supposed to make a wish. Star. Number 3, dark. I get scared in the dark. Dark. Number 4, mark. Don't make a mark on your testing paper. Mark. Number 5, shark. For our research project, some of us are learning about a shark. Shark. Number 6, part. One way that we find the missing number in an equation is to use a part, whole model. Part. Number 7, start. Before you start working, put your name on your paper. Start. Number 8, scar. I have a scar on my knee from when I fell when I was little. Scar. Number 9, hard. If you think it is hard, keep trying, you'll get it. Hard. And number 10, March. My brother Adam was born in the month of March. Let's check those words, my excellent spellers. Number 1, car. 2, star. 3, dark. 4, mark. 5, shark. 6, part. 7, start. 8, scar. 9, hard. And 10, march.